redoing the countertops with this RUSTOLEUM appliance epoxy. Washable and moisture resistant, smooth, factory like finish. Here's the countertops. You see it's pretty old, stained and yellow. You want to make sure you cover up everything because there is overspray. And I will be back to show you after I do the first coat. Make sure you have on a mask to protect yourself, a well ventilated area, fan, windows open, because this fragrance or the spray I hear is very, very strong. I did the first layer and it is really very strong, but here's the first layer. I saw a little bit of bubbling, so I wiped it a little bit. I will let this dry and come back in like 15 or 20 minutes and put the second layer. Okay, I just did the second layer after 15 minutes to let it dry. You can see it's much better. I still see cracks, little cracks here, but these were some really, really deep cracks. I wonder if I should have filled them in with something, but it still looks much better. I did do a final third coat just because I wanted to really try to fill in these cracks as much as possible. And again, I was waiting about 15 to 18 minutes in between each spray. I definitely think I'm done. Ooh, this stuff is strong. So I will show you what it looks like after I take everything off. So this is maybe about 4 days, maybe 5 days after I did my spray, and I just wanted to show you guys what the countertops look like. I did install new faucets. I kind of just did a little small remodel on my bathroom, but I absolutely love the finish. Is it perfect? No, I still have little cracks and things, but it's so much better than what it was before. There's a little inconsistencies, and I'm sure it's just because of my error. There's some places on the countertops where it's like really, really smooth, you know, to the touch, and then there's places where it's not that it's smooth. It seems just like a different texture. Like you see where it's really shiny, it just gives you that smooth like marble kind of feel, and then on certain spots it just has like I don't know how to explain it, but I am gonna go back later to just fix a couple little dings and scratches, and that was just a part of me redoing the bathroom, but it just looks so much better. And I'm happy that I did it. One of the cons is that the overspray and the smell is major. You definitely need to have a ventilated area. My bathroom is really not that big. I do have a window in here, so make sure you have a window, a fan, open doors. You probably want to put your pets out. I have a bird, so I had to put him outside because it can be to me, I think, very toxic. But outside of that, oh, and the overspray was a lot, but I covered up pretty good. I mean, you probably want to, if you don't want to get everything around your bathroom with the overspray, or if you're just redoing your bathroom or painting or something, definitely make sure you put down some drop cloth, some plastic, some tape, and all that good stuff. So here's the update, and like I said, I will, when I go back in to touch up everything, I will probably do another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.